All right, welcome back everybody, it's Julian Crypto, December 7, and today we'll talk about Nigeria and CBDC, also about President Trump and his trial, and what biggest company's CEO thinks about the recession and Bitcoin to S&P 500 and on-chain metrics, what is going on with US inflation rate, and we'll talk about Iran team dropper prediction. And remember guys, nothing here is a financial advice. In the end, we will try to use ChatGPT-3, the newest AI model, to talk with you. We will talk about this today. Today's news are from Max Data Up. So let's start from Nigeria. Nigeria has imposed a 5% surcharge on individuals on ATM's cash withdrawals over $220 per week and $1,100 for businesses only, all to force use of CBDC. And here's a quote: customers should be encouraged to use alternative channels, internet banking, mobile banking apps, USSD cards, POS, eNair CBDC to conduct their banking transactions. So my question is, are they short of cash? And what countries will be the next? And here's the comment on CBDC. Listen to this.
So what's the difference?
Well, that first of all, you're doing by choice, and you have a choice of providers, and the providers aren't the government, and it doesn't have the authority to come in and say, I'm sorry, we're just going to cut off your ability to take in money or to put out money. We're going to freeze it. I mean, think about the trucker convoy up in Canada. They just froze their assets. They can do this, with just the flick of a switch. Just one off and say, I'm sorry, that's it. You can't. We've gotten rid of cars. We're not going to let you hail an Uber. We're not going to let you do this. You said something bad on social media. We didn't like it, so we are going to come down. This is a tool to get people to submit to what the government wants, and it is the ultimate bullying tactic, the ultimate control tactic to be able to control every facet of how you transact.
I will tell you that it is what people will say, well, I'm not doing anything wrong. You don't have to do anything wrong. You just have to want to spend your money on hamburger as opposed to fish or bugs or whatever it is. You want gasoline, and there's a shortage, and you're not part of the crew that is deemed essential, so you get no gasoline. This is, everybody complains about socialized about free market healthcare.
Okay, this is the opinion about CBDC and what is going on with Trump. A jury in Manhattan found 2 Trump Organization companies guilty of tax fraud. The former president was repeatedly mentioned during the trial by prosecutors.
Companies now stand convicted of crimes that is consequential. It underscores that in Manhattan, we have one standard of justice for all. As the jury addresses indicated, this was a case about lying and cheating, false documents to the end of evading taxes for the individuals and the corporations. They've now been held accountable in a court of law.
And he is also facing an $250 million civil lawsuit from the New York Attorney General, who alleges he and his adult children were involved in fraud that has been going on for a decade. And what is going on with a recession? So CEOs of JPMorgan, General Motors, Walmart, United Airlines, and others, Union Pacific for example, are preparing for an economic slowdown. Issues cited include rising interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical issues.
The other news, which is not good, is the rates are now, 4% on their way to 5. Inflation is eroding everything I just said, and that $1.5 trillion will run out sometime mid-year next year. And so when you're looking out forward, those things may very well derail the economy and cause this mild or hard recession that people are worried about.
And here's CEO of General Motors.
But what we're seeing right now is we're still seeing strong pricing and low incentives, and we're seeing customer demand. And I can't talk about for the whole industry, but definitely for our products. And we have a lot of new products. Our new full-size truck. We're going to be launching heavy-duty and mid-size trucks next year, along with the Hummer will ramp up, the Lyric will ramp up, and then we.
And the Walmart CEO.
Changing in March, April of this year, and that sustained pressure in some categories, I think, is something that customers are having to deal with as we approach Christmas.
You also have, though, a growing number of customers who make over $100,000. I think that's where a lot of the growth is coming.
Yeah, a lot of our growth the last couple of quarters has come from people that are coming to Walmart to save money. Our purpose is to save people money and help them live better. And as we focused on Thanksgiving and the events around Thanksgiving, whether it's food or in the general merchandise categories, we're doing our very best to keep prices low for everyone.
And the United Airlines.
I spent the weekend here in D.C., and when I talked to people in politics, I started saying if I didn't watch CNBC in the morning, which I do, the word recession wouldn't be in my vocabulary. Just looking at our data, I mean, you just can't see it in our data.
And they're going to cause one. You see the Delta pilots.
Yep. So look, I think that's actually for us for the big airlines. That's good news. It is really
for a big airline. It's a good news. The recession. So the companies are conservative until 2023, and BTC, Bitcoin, is at a historical support since August 2019. We right now have enough strength to bounce back. Are we going to bounce back? Look at S&P 500. If we will go down like this line right here, maybe BTC won't be in a good position, but look at the previous ones, 2019, 2017, the support zone from 2017 respected, the support zone from 2013 respected, and went up. BTC went up, even though the whole market went down in 2015. The whole market went down right here, but it goes down in 2019. So the question is, are we going down? Are we going up? Transactions on chain are showing that we might still be seeing the lower bottom in the next couple of months, because look at this. Lower transactions on the on-chain and higher transactions. And after higher transactions, even though the BTC price went down, even though higher transactions went up, BTC price went down in 2019-15, and right now the transactions on BTC still aren't going up. But what is going up? The fees on BTC network. And for example, right in 2015, 2019, fees also went up massively right here, and it was a great time to accumulate BTC. Right now, fees are going up. So tell me in the comments, what is your opinion and what is your position right now? And how BTC will react when Fed will stop rising interest rates, but the markets will probably continue to fall. Look at the past, and after halting the rising of interest rates, the market still went down. The BTC is the Hossa child. The Hossas, the child of the bull market, the big bull market. And if we will see the long bear market, will the BTC be the hedge for the inflation, and will the BTC will be the hedge for CBDCs? For example, look at the Iran might freeze bank accounts of women who refuse to wear hijab. A member of Iran parliament told local media that government plans to impose new penalties on women who do not wear hijab in public. So Iran's plan to freeze bank accounts reinforces the need for decentralized currencies in tandem with cash and CBDC. Yeah, know your money, not your account, not your money. If you don't have access to your money, these money are not yours. And what is BTC prediction? According to Tim Draper, he predicts Bitcoin to reach $250,000 next year. Despite FTX collapse, the dam is about to break, he's saying. However, Draper had previously predicted that BTC would surpass $250,000 at the end of 2022. All right. So for today, that's all. In the end, ChatGPT-3. We are testing the latest GPT-3 chat. So what kind of questions would you like me to ask ChatGPT-3 in the next video? Tell me in the comments. I will ask ChatGPT-3 about anything you want. For example, write a simple smart contract on Solidity. All right. Sure. So this is the smart contract. This is the simple smart contract on Solidity. Try again. Something new? Something else? Something different? No? Are you need more time? Or do you need more time? No, I can't ask this. Alright? So tell me in the comments, what do you want me to ask GPT-3 in the next video, and we'll ask it. Nothing here was a financial advice. Remember guys, every decision you make, don't try to make decision fast. Just try to make decisions wise. Alright. Thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.